I'm looking at this picture right here that's showing all the tech layoffs so far in 2026. And I want to talk to you about how AI is replacing all these jobs and what to do before it's too late, what to do after, and how to actually make money. So first, let's talk about the jobs that got replaced. So Amazon lost 16,000 jobs, Oracle 25,000, Facebook just announced 8,000, Block did 4,000 in one day. And this is just the beginning. Next year is going to be way more. The year after that might be even more, because AI is just getting so good. If you don't know, like OpenClaw is so amazing. It can do pretty much anything that a person can do, but also it does it 24/7, and it does it better with no mistakes. And the companies are now seeing that, and they're implementing that, and that's why there's so many job losses. So I think there's phases to this. You can be really good at it right now and make a lot of money now. If you're in a company, use it to promote yourself. Your boss will love you if you start using it. If you're not at a company, make a business where you sell these solutions, which is kind of like the main thing I'm talking about on this channel, where we're selling this to businesses. We're going to make as much money as we can until we cannot, and then invest those in the right things. So you could have passive income and you could have your money making you money. So just in case there are no jobs, you can still be making money from the right investments that you made. Now you might ask what that could be. For me, I want to diversify my portfolio, but I want to have a lot of Airbnbs. I don't want basic houses. I want houses that are kind of like an experience, kind of special, because I do think that in the future, people are going to want to have experiences, are going to want to go to nice vacations. I'm not getting places that are just someone's rent, because I do think there's going to be a drop in basic real estate, because they're going to be able to just put so many homes. You've seen there's like crazy container homes now. They could get a lot, and the robots can just make like millions of homes, and the cost of a regular house will be cheaper. But if you make an Airbnb and it's an experience, I think people are going to want to get that experience. There's going to be, just like Gary Vee is saying, it's going to be a lot of analog businesses. There's going to be a lot of like restaurants with community. There's gonna be a lot of collectibles. There's gonna be restaurants, YouTubers, sports. All the in real life experiences will exist and do very well. But I don't want to end this video without giving you any advice. So I think one thing you could do right now, selling to businesses, you can pick up the phone right now and do it, is selling websites. So you can contact the business and say, hey, I made you a website. Is it okay if I send it over? Once they say yes, go to Claude, give it all that business's information and say, make a website for this business, make it super beautiful. Then go back and forth with Claude for a couple minutes, make it super nice, and then send that link to that business. Now you could sell that to the business as a one-time fee for $1,000 or $2,000 or whatever, or you could say it's $0 and it's just $20 a month for hosting. And if you do that, then you're racking up a bunch of hosting clients, which is passive income, which we love passive income and monthly recurring revenue. If you do 50 of those, you're at $1,000 a month. If you do 100 of those, you're at $2,000 a month, and it just goes from there. So that's just a quick one you could start right away. I'm gonna make more videos this week telling you more ideas that you could be doing. But I also have a school community you could join and ask me anything, or you could just leave a comment and I respond to every single comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.